guys, welcome back to my channel. So before the video starts, I'm going to show you guys where you can buy the chunky glitter that is cosmetics. So you want to go ahead and go to Amazon.com, and well, you can buy this from a lot of different places, but for now I'm just going to show you on Amazon. So all you have to do is type in chunky cosmetic glitter. And as you can see, a lot of different things pop up. So let's just start at the top. So this is a great bundle where you get, let's see, 9 different color glitters that are cosmetic. You also want to look for that cosmetic word, and you always want to read the description and make sure that it's non-toxic and things like that. But as you can see, like that's very pretty. That's some very pretty colors, and it's just a bunch of like different shapes, as you can see. So it can be used for nails, and it can be used for a lot of different things, but it is cosmetic, and that is what's important. You can always look at the reviews to see how you like it as well. So I'm going to go back and look at some other things. Now this is pretty. You get 18 different colors. Okay. Now that is cute. I just got a plain silver, but now I'm like, okay, I should have got some different colors as well. But yeah, those are very pretty. Again, they're just a bunch of like different shapes, as you can see. And again, you want to make sure they are cosmetic. So yeah, that's really pretty. You get 18 of those. 18 different colors for $9. That is a great deal. I wish I would have seen that, okay? These don't look like hollow. Okay, yeah, they are. But these are also pretty. See, mine just kind of looks like this silver one right here. I don't know who would want to use black, but see, they don't look holographic. See, just one of them does, but these don't look holographic. But you get, let's see, 8 boxes for $9, which isn't that bad either. Again, don't forget to read the description. It says non-toxic, which is great. Don't forget to look at the reviews. Let's see, this is pretty. These are pretty. I really don't like that pink though, and I don't like dark colors, but these light colors are really pretty. Now, if you want like a certain kind of chunky glitter, you would just type in like, okay. You would just type in like, okay, let's say unicorn. Let's say they have unicorn. Unicorn chunky glitter. They don't have unicorn. Okay. I don't think this unicorn. Let's see what this is. No, this is not unicorn. Okay, there's a bunch of different. Okay, well, some of them are unicorn. As you can see, the pictures are not great here, but I'm assuming those are unicorns in there. Let's try to find a better one. I don't really see a lot of unicorn options. What are these? Oh, these are unicorns. Okay. And then we have stars. Okay. So we have stars and unicorns. That's cute. So you can always get one of these. I really like those stars. Stars are pretty. Let's see, pricing. You get 9 jars for $9. That's a great deal. Okay. Man, why didn't I see this earlier? Like, what was I doing? Okay. If you want like butterflies, looking like that, just type in butterflies. Because I might have to order me some. Wait a minute. Okay, let's see. Butterflies. Butterfly, chunky glitter. Okay, what are butterflies at? What is this? This looks like regular chunky glitter. It's what we do not want. Okay, Show me the butterflies. What are these? These are, okay, that's regular. Okay, where are the butterflies? Let's take out, okay, butterfly chunky glitter. Show me the butterflies. Okay. What are these? These are not butterflies. What is y'all doing? I know y'all got some butterflies somewhere. Okay, here we go. $4. Wow, that is a great deal. These are so pretty. You know what, guys? I might have to order me some and do another video for you guys because these are bomb. But I would buy the other one though. Okay, okay. Those are pretty. Okay. Those are really pretty. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to go back to those. But guys, as you can see, they have a ton of different stuff. Oh wait, did I see hearts? Did I see hearts? Where is that at? These hearts? What are these? Yes, these are hearts. Go back to the first picture. Yeah, that's so pretty. So it looks like it's a bunch of different shapes and hearts, I'm assuming. I don't know what these are. Random shapes. Okay, we don't want that. Oh wait, butterfly? Did I see butterflies? Oh no, those weren't butterfly leaves. Okay. But yeah, those are cute. You get 12 of these. 12 different colors. Man, I wish they had better like images, okay? But again, you want to make sure they say cosmetic before you purchase. So there you get 12 of these, 12 different colors for $7. And they have a coupon, which is great, save 5%. So yeah guys, Amazon has some really great deals. After this video, I'm definitely going to order me some to do some more videos for you guys. Okay, but now let's get to the video.